Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. I'm back. It's been a couple of years. I'm now back in a spot where I've got time to work on the channel a bit. Might be a little bit different because there are a lot more products available than when I started. There's a lot of really great YouTube channels out there now. So this is going to be a lot more of a just personal type channel rather than just, going hardcore in terms of individual recipes and whatnot. More like, how am I able to continue doing keto after all these years, and what things are helping me with that. So hopefully it's still useful to you. I do appreciate the likes and subscribes and the comments and the guys that like checking out the bands of the t-shirts that I wear, etc. So anyway, it's good to be back, and I look forward to putting more stuff out more frequently again. Thanks. Have a great day.